Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. As you know very well, I am your computer teacher. My name is Divya Hanpa. Class 6, what's the date today? Today is 19th August 2020. So, your chapter number 4, Advanced Features of MS Word. And your today's topic, starting page number 48, open everyone, and this is an activity. Take the correct answer. So first question is, how many files are used in a basic mail merge process? So options are first 2, 3 and 9. So answer is A, 2. Okay. Mark it properly. And second question is, which tab contains option related to mail merge? So options are review tab, mailing tab and insert. Student, which tab contains option? How many steps are there in the mail merge wizard? We know very well option. Okay, 6 steps are there in the mail merge wizard. Now fourth is, student, which documents contains addresses of the recipients? So options are main document, data source, columns, list. So answer is data source for the use of a documents contain address of the recipients. Next, fifth, you insert the merge fields in the options are main document, data document and address list. So answer is main document because insert the merge field in the main document. So student, today we are going also discussed in worksheet 1 to 5th and terms to learn accordingly points of a advanced feature of MS Word. Class 6, open your MS Word and click on mailing tab. Okay, and in last class we completed in a mail merge practical to related creating the data source. In last class, we completed a letter related to a data source and applied select recipients, and we will go type new list. Okay. Then student, next see new address list will be open. Okay. Then you can mention in this title name, title mention, then name, last name, and you can see and choose any one. You can left any option. Okay, accordingly you can type any letter, address, recording means accordingly, then name, mention a city, then state, and you can mention country, phone number, etc. So all are detailed in this field new address list. So let's start, student. Fill it address, new address in this. Okay. Now look, student, we maintain properly in this title happy birthday. You can mention any title. Okay. Then first name, I'm write only Arun Kumar. Okay. Then next address 125 sector 5th. Then second address 2 means mention the properly Chandigarh. Okay. Any state. Okay. Then country name India. You can fill any details in this column. Okay, you can mention any entry accordingly. You can choose. Okay, then next we can just properly complete it. After we will click a OK. Okay, which one? The OK button. Then you can see a dialog box will be open. Then you can mention any name and save this file. Okay, okay, I'm filling in this name of a detail of a save a file. So just write any name, book. I'm writing a book. Okay, then after you can save in this file. Okay, just you can see properly. After you will click insert merge field, and one by one shows in this option. Okay, title, first name, last name, and you can choose that time mention accordingly and enter properly after. Okay. Now see, student, we maintain properly in this
insert merge field to related our data, and after you can see in this field, then you can click a preview result, means we maintain already in this. Okay, title, name, answer, name, address, then country name. Okay, so this is a procedure of a mail merge writing, letter writing. Okay, then after you can see a properly record. Okay, we can see a properly record mentioned in this. So we maintain only one record. Okay, you can see only one record mentioned in this. Okay, then after we can see a mail merge receipt sent. And today we are going to discuss a practical of a related mail merge receipt sent. Okay, maintain data properly. Then student, you can see this is a mail merge recipient. Okay, means this list recipient that will be used in your merge. Okay, merge in this all this detail. Then next, then student, you can write in this line after body part. Okay, you can write a letter in this body part, maintain properly in this. Okay, then after you can see next and last procedure a mail merge, finish and merge. Okay, just click and you can see added individual, document, print, send, email, messages. So firstly we can see added individual, means you can add it in this record. So dialog box will be open, merge to new document. See, merge record all current from. Okay, then next is option is print document, then last send email messages. Okay, finally you can properly maintain, after you can send this procedure merge to email. Okay, so student, this is a procedure of a mail merge in our Word file. Class 6, your chapter number 4, advanced features of MS Word. In last class 6, we completed topics, first mail merge procedure and second doing mail merge. In mail merge procedure, we discussed in last class, mail merge procedure consists of two types of files. First one main document and second data source. Okay students, main document file that has text that is common to all the letters or documents. Then second data source file that contains data to be merged with the main document. Here the address list file is the data source that contains the address of your friends related. Okay, then second doing mail merge. In doing mail merge, we discussed in last class step by step procedure, okay, to create a mail merge document. Last class we discussed steps are related in mail merge. So first open the document and that you have to send to different people. So open the mailing tab and then click to the start mail merge button. So follow this step by step same procedure. We will follow mail merge wizard option from the drop down menu. Then the mail merge task appears on the right side of the Word window showing the steps 1 of the mail merge wizards. So student, we discussed in first step selecting the document type, second selecting the main document, third creating the data source, then fourth adding recipient's information to main document, fifth previewing the merged letter, and last steps completing the mail merge procedure completely. Okay, then student, today we are going to discuss topics. First, let's recall, second, terms to learn, and last, worksheet 1 to 5. Today we are going to complete worksheet 1 to 5. So student, let's start discussed about the let's recall important points in your related your chapter. So first point is the treasure feature helps you to find synonyms of a word. Okay, means exactly treasure means to find synonyms of a word. So second, track changes is a feature which when turned on highlights the changes made in a document so that they can be accepted or rejected by an authorized user. Track changes simply means is a feature. Okay, So we can changes made in our document so that they can accept it or reject it by options by an authorized user. We can use in this feature track changes. So next, third, hyperlinks means can be inserted in a document in case you want to include some external resources files into it for reference. Okay, its purpose is hyperlinks to link in a document to include some external resources, okay, external resources file, etc. So we will use in a hyperlink, we can use properly hyperlinks in a document. Then last, fourth point means mail merge is a feature in MS Word which helps you to combine multiple addresses in a document with another document containing standard text to create multiple copies addressed to different individual. Okay, so mail merge is a feature in MS Word. We can create multiple addresses in a document with another document. We can create multiple copies addressed to different individuals. Then student, next is a terms to learns. Okay, terms to learns means first, treasure, a feature we know very well in MS Word which helps you to find synonyms. Then second, track changes means a feature that can be used to highlight the changes made to a document by a user. Then third, hyperlink, an underlined text which when click takes you to another with which it is linked. Okay, so an underlined text which when click takes you to another with which it is linked. Then fourth, mail merge, a feature which allows merging of letters in data source to a standard text to create multiple copies addressed to different people. Okay, we can simply create a letter, and mail merge helps to merging of address in data source to whole merging and create multiple copies addressed to different people. Then student, come on a worksheet number first, page number 49. Open everyone, open your book and fill it properly. Okay, so let's start. First, fill in the blanks with the help of the help box. So here are some help box means answer provided, and we can search properly and enter in this fill in the blank. So let's start. First, the dash feature helps you to find synonym of a word. We know very well in this chapter, treasure. Okay, it's words treasure. Second, when you turn on the dash feature, changes made to a document become visible alongside the original text. So its feature is track changes. The next, third, whether the track changes feature is on or off is also displayed on the dash, is a status bar. Then fourth, dash is a file where the addresses of all the recipients are stored. So it's a data source. And fifth, last, the option to do mail merge lies in the dash tab. Which one, student? Mailings. Yes. Now next is a worksheet number 2. Come on, a worksheet number 2. It's a true or false. Okay. So first, the treasure feature can be accessed from the view tab. It's a view tab, student? No, it's false. Okay. Treasure features can be accessed only, student, review tab, not a view tab. Okay. Then next, second, the letters created using mail merge cannot be printed. So it's false. Third, comments typed while tracking changes cannot be deleted. False. We can delete it. Comments typed anywhere while tracking. Then fourth, hyperlinks can be inserted in a document from the insert tab. Yes, hyperlink we can insert it. Which tab, students? Insert tab. So it's true. Then fifth, all the track changes disappear as soon as we turn off the track changes features. It's false. Then student, next is a worksheet number 3. So take the correct answer. First question is, which of the following tab has option to work with mail merge? So 3 options are given in here. First, home, review and mailing. So correct is mailing. Okay. Then second, how many steps are there in the mail merge wizard? So student, we discussed in 6 steps. So answer is A, 6. Third, Which group in the insert tab contains the hyperlinks command buttons? So third options are symbols, links and page. So answer is links. Hyperlink command button we use in our links. Then fourth, the process of merging an address list with a main text to create a multiple documents is called. Options are mail merge, letter merge, data merge. So student, answer is mail merge. Okay. Then student, next is your worksheet number 4. Okay. So open your book and complete it fastly in your book worksheet number 4. So is a answer in a word or a sentence. Okay. Answer is a one word or a sentence. So first question is, which tab will you click to use the track changes features? Which option is student? Which tab? Review tab. Okay. Then second, which tab will you click to insert a hyperlink in a document? So it's a which tab student? Insert tab. Okay. Third, what do you call the mail merge file which contains names and addresses of the recipients? So answer is data source. The next fourth, which features in MS Word helps you to find synonyms of a word? So student answer is treasure. Which feature student? We find out easily treasures. Okay. Then fifth last, name the features of MS Word that is used to send the same letter to many people. So student, which features? Mail merge features. Okay, we can send the same letter to many people and we can use many feature in the help of MS Word. So answer is mail merge. So student, next is your worksheet number 5. Okay student, so open your notebook. Okay, in your notebook you all are completed in worksheet number 5. So question answers the following question, and first question is, what is mail merge? And we know very well the answer. Mail merge is a feature in MS Word which helps you to combine multiple addresses in a document with another document containing standard text to create multiple copies addressed to different individuals. Okay. So mail merge is a feature in MS Word and which helps you to combine multiple letters in a document with another. Okay, we can easily many feature available used in a mail merge feature. Then next question is second, explain the two important documents in mail merge. So student, your answer is second. The two important documents in mail merge are which one? First, main document. Okay. So the main document file that has text that is common to all the letters or documents. Okay. Then second, data source. The data source file that contains data to be merged with the main document. Then in a bracket, address list file is the data source that contains the addresses of your friend. Okay. So two types of important document, first main document and second data source. Then student, third question is your, what are hyperlinks and why do you insert them in a document? So answer is an underlined text which when clicked takes you to another document with which it is linked. So hyperlink can be inserted in a document in case you want to include some external resources files into it for references. Okay. So fourth, what is the treasure feature and briefly describe how to use it. So a feature in MS Word which helps you to find synonym. Our treasure is a software tool. Okay. Include with some word processor that provides synonyms for selected words on command. Then user using Microsoft Word can open a treasure by highlighting the word they want to look up and pressing the shortcut key Shift plus F7. Okay. Then your last question is, write the steps to delete comments inserted in track document. So answer is, to delete comments inserted in a document, follow these steps. First step, to delete a single comment, click inside the comment balloon. Okay. Then open the review tab and click on the delete button in the comments group. So second, to delete all the comments at once from a document, click on the delete button drop down arrow and then select the delete all comments in document option. Okay. So this is your fifth answer. So class 6, your today's homework is chapter number 4, worksheet number 1 to 4 do in your book, and worksheet number 5 terms to learn. Let's recall part 2 in your notebook. Okay student, and read properly all the topics in your previous topics. Read properly in book.